Hi, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer, and this is Erin.
What's up?
And today we are doing a BoxyCharm unboxing of my premium box.
Premium.
And hi, hello, if you are new here. We talk about subjects regarding agoraphobia and makeup. If you are interested in both or either of those subjects, I recommend that you hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell and set it to all so that you are notified every time that I upload a video. And right now we are in the middle of a giveaway, and check down below in the description box. It will direct you where to go, and I am here to give you another clue. It is on my eyes, and we are doing a do-over, so anybody who has already commented can comment again. This is my eye look using the same palette, and you can see there is some color in the palette. This may be the only color. There might be a little bit more color, but
Is this a palette that's been seen before on the channel?
it has been seen.
It's been seen.
It has been seen on the channel before, but it has been a while. I did do a first impression of it, but it has been a while. So those are your clues. So anybody who has already picked these flies, these gnats are getting to me. Anybody who has already commented can comment again. But I advise you to look through at everybody else's comments, because they picked the wrong palette.
Ooh.
So you won't pick that palette.
Thought you had it, but you didn't.
Okay, so if you are interested in today's content, which is opening my BoxyCharm Premium for August 2021, then hang tight because we are getting right into it. Okay, here we go. This is my BoxyCharm Premium. I just got it yesterday. We have not looked in this. This is a blind unboxing. All I've done
It's full of premium.
was take off a little seal here. And it's $35 a month. If you are interested, I will put the link down below. And let's see what we got here. Okay, let me look for the card.
It's right there.
Okay, this month it is Go All Out.
Ooh.
And
Pedal to the metal.
And I have number C21080. I have variation number 12. And I didn't get to pick any of my
Things.
Let's just say things. So,
Items.
So
Content.
let's just pick up right here. This is some
Fluffy things.
Halo disc, whatever you want to call them. Let's see what they say here. Look on there and see where it says LaRouche.
Wipe away your day with this alternative, eco-friendly solution to disposable makeup wipes and cotton pads. It contributes toward a safe and sustainable planet due to its reusability and washability. The organic bamboo cotton has soft, plush fibers that will gently remove impurities. Its versatility means it can be used for different types of applications. More than one type of application.
Oh,
Yeah.
I wonder what that means.
I don't know.
What is the retail value?
It's pretty much the same thing it says on the back of the Q-tips box. Retail value, MSRP, $24.
Okay. Do you have your phone with you?
I do. I didn't think you wanted me to play games while we do this, though.
Oh, we'll just add it up at the end.
Okay.
Okay, the next thing I'm pulling out is the L plus W Bio Phoenix Rose Quartz Vibrating Facial Massager.
Oh.
And that's it. And
It'll
now,
vibrate your face right off.
I'm not going to unbox this, but let's hear more about it.
The Phoenix Rose Quartz Vibrating Roller will help you achieve that post-facial glow without leaving the house. The vibrating tool helps to contour and tone the skin, while the cooling rose quartz sculpts the face and promotes blood circulation. Use with your favorite serum or moisturizer to maximize the results of your skincare routine. And it has a core of a phoenix feather. So that's the phoenix.
No, it doesn't. How much is it?
The facial vibrator chooses the beauty care person. It MSRP $79.99.
$79.99 for this.
And it goes.
Are batteries included?
You can't expect batteries to be included for $79.99. I don't know.
Battery operated, not included. Okay, next we have from Vor, which I like their product. I use their hair mask a lot. It is Flawless Finish Hairspray and it says Rainforest Mist, which I don't use hairspray anymore, so this might go into a giveaway as well. Want to read about it?
Rainforest Mist, Flawless Finish Hairspray. There's a place that is magical and full of rain. Now it needs help because it is in pain.
Are you serious?
Saving the earth is a mighty big chore. We're spreading awareness like never before. Discover the magic in this mist with optimal light to medium hold and non-residuous superfine style. It casts an aromatic spell that doubles as a hair perfume to boot. A non-aerosol formula that makes traditional hairspray tremble.
Does it really say that?
Yes. You can use after hot tools and let your hair's natural movement come alive because it's time for your mane to go against the grain. Do we, Dad, have enough traditional hairspray we can see if it makes it tremble? It's magic. So there's a lot of magic stuff in this one. It's the willow Phoenix Rose Quartz thing, and now this.
How much does this...
And it casts an aromatic spell.
Okay, how much does this retail for?
$26.
All that for just $26?
I know, it's amazing.
Okay, next we have the Wishful Honey Balm.
Well.
Wow. I was kind of hoping to get this.
Your wishful has been granted.
So I think I'm going to keep this. What does it say about the Wishful Honey Balm?
Honey Balm Jelly Moisturizer. A luxuriously textured jelly meets balm moisturizer infused with honey to lock in moisture for up to 24 hours and soothe skin. Makes ordinary moisturizers tremble.
Does it say that?
No, it doesn't say that. The addition of turmeric root extract helps minimize the appearance of hyperpigmentation and unevenness, while
it smells good.
niacinamide brightens and visibly reduces the appearance of pores. The soothing lavender scent creates a relaxing and calming moment to enhance your self-care routine. MSRP $49.99. $49, sorry, not 99. They went for that extra penny there.
Good for all skin types. Gentle, simple, effective. Lavender, honey, niacinamide, turmeric. It does smell very good.
Would you say that it creates a relaxing and calming moment?
Well, with lavender, it probably would.
Sounds
I would
bad.
see this as a good night cream. It'll smell.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Okay, next we have from Zoeva a powerful lip twist lipstick rouge. Okay, it's in the color Rhea. Okay, I don't really want to open this up.
Hug your lips with high precision and a powerful charge of pigments. Shape and shade lips with smooth, creamy comfort and pure color. Powerful lip twist is boosted with raspberry stem cells with a strong moisturizing activity. The thin filmed finish is extremely adherent, never dry, and always comfortable.
How much?
$14.
Okay, you might see this on a giveaway. And
What do the raspberry stem cells do exactly?
I don't know. I don't believe in.
They make your lips grow raspberry something?
I don't believe in fruit and vegetable stem cells. And
new
from Vesca Beauty, the Moonlit Dream Cream Shadow.
Are good.
In the color Orion.
Oh, dang.
Okay, again, I'm not gonna test this. I'm not into cream shadows.
It's time to sparkle into the night with Moonlit Dream Cream Shadow and Ultra Creamy Gel Shadow delivers a bud-proof, lustrous sheen for the lids. To achieve a shimmering moonlit glow, sweep a small amount across your lids with your fingertips, building up to your desired intensity with each layer. And use a smudger brush to blend into other shadows or amplify color at the lash line. It's time. It's time.
And how much is this?
$28.
For this? It's $28.
But it will help you sparkle into the night. Don't you want to sparkle into the night? I know I do.
Okay. This is going into a future giveaway. Unless you want it.
That's okay.
Do you want this?
No, not with that color.
This is going into a future giveaway. Do you want this?
No.
This is probably going into a future giveaway. And do you want these?
I don't think so.
And
I'm still
these?
not entirely sure what they're for.
And these are probably going into a future giveaway. And do you want
No.
this? And this is probably going into a future giveaway. But I'm keeping the wishful for myself. And
One thing out of how many that you actually want to keep in that.
well, can you add up? Can you take your calculator and add all that up, please? So again, this box was $35, and how much was
Let's see if you can guess the actual, close to the actual retail price without going over. What would you say?
$175?
It's even higher. It's $221.
$221 value. How much was the wishful?
$49.
Okay, well, I got my money's worth out of the box. So, just from keeping the wishful. So,
Really, some of those items are a little too powerful. You know, I don't think we can handle them. There's too much magic packed into some of those.
well, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Check out my giveaway down below. And if you're interested in BoxyCharm, give it a look down below. The link is down below. And leave a comment. If you get BoxyCharm, have you got your BoxyCharm yet? Do we have some of the same items? Are we Boxy twins?
Have you experienced the magic?
I still haven't gotten my base box yet, and when I get that, I will do that video. And this is not PR. I pay for my own boxes.
We wish, yeah.
And yeah, just leave me a comment, any comment. Tell me how your day is going, anything like that. And I hope you are having a great day out there today, and having a great Sunday or whatever day you are watching this on. And if you're not having a great day, I hope it gets better for you so you can face the week ahead.
Face, yeah.
And for you, those of you going back to school, I wish you well. And if those of you who are having an especially hard time, we are rooting for you here and sending out the good vibes for you. And just remember to stay strong and stay healthy and stay safe. And we will see you. Probably we will see you next week, but I have a video out tomorrow if you want to watch that. And my next makeup video will be on Wednesday of this week. So, alright, we will see you soon. Alright, say goodbye.
Goodbye, Aaron.
That's why I didn't say goodbye, Aaron.
Goodbye.
Alright, goodbye.
Farewell.